proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to extract a pack firmware. For this, we can use research download tool, upgrade download tool, or factory download tool, any of them you like. So I'm going to use research download tool. We'll launch the tool. Okay, so we need to load the pack file. I will locate the pack firmware. Okay, so now we need to wait for it to load completely. Once extraction is complete, the loading bar would disappear and you will find the firmware's name. Now what we need to do is go back to the folder, image files, under the research download tool folder, image files. You will find a folder randomly named. Open it, and this is your extracted firmware, so you can copy this out or do whatever you want to do with it. So this is how you extract a pack firmware, a pack file.